you may have an inkling about what we're going to show you next, which is the concept for our second TFC model, which of course is the rocket. Launched in 2004, this was a pure original and an absolute torque monster. Muscle, presence, and power. But I can promise you, nothing comes close to what you're about to see. This is a very developed prototype, a British engineering masterpiece. This showcases what we're going to be launching in full detail on the 1st of May. This will be a one-off, so a limited, special edition, ultra premium custom, just like the Thruxton TFC, never to be repeated, and there will be 750 numbered editions of this worldwide. World-beating performance from an all-new Triumph Triple 2500cc engine, the biggest production engine in the world and the torquiest in the world as well. And as you would expect for a TFC, this is going to come with an incredible array of custom details, beautiful finishes and premium touches, including a single and twin seat setup as standard. So there you have it, the beautiful new Thruxton TFC and the incredible Rocket TFC concept. What do you think? Thank you very much for coming, and have a safe journey home. Thank you. Good night.